water?
A lot of water.
Oh my god! Oh, this has to be a test! The 18 must have built an escape, right?
What did the journal say, King?
It said, trust in your fellow man, for one should go to heaven, the other to hell. Trust in your fellow man, for one... Sully! Sully! There has to be another keyhole up there somewhere that opens this door!
I'm like literally in a Papa John's right now.
Sully! We're running out of time!
I found it. Excuse me, guys.
I'm gonna need a minute.
Sully, we do not have a minute!
Hand it over, Victor.
Oh, shit.
Give me the cross.
Come on, Joe. You know I can't do that. You haven't said please.
Now.
Okay. Didn't I tell you should have said please?
Oh, come on, Sully. After all we've been through.
Sully! Hurry!
Shut up. I'm working on it.
Oh, shut up when you get us the hell out of here! What's going on? Sully, if you don't turn that damn key, we're gonna drown!
It's gonna take a little longer than I thought, kid.
You gotta help me. I'm trying to get this grate up, okay?
I can't believe you walked out on me, you son of a bitch.
Why? Did you miss me?
Sully! He's devouring everybody! We're running out of options down here!
Nate, look at me. We can do this.
Okay, we can do this.
Deep breaths. Did you miss this, Victor? Huh?
Chloe! Chloe! Chloe, please!